Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 7. The demonic know not what to do and what to refrain from. Neither purity, nor right conduct, nor truth is found in them.
Chapter 16, Shloka 7. प्रवृत्तिञ्च निवृत्तिञ्च जना न विदुरासुराः न शौचं नापि चाचारो न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते.
Chapter 16, Shloka 7. Thus, the very first stanza, which paints the Asuric type, opens as it were with an apology for the diabolically fallen, along with a powerful suggestion drawing our most tender kindness towards them. The men of Asuric nature know not action or inaction. Here, action means any intelligent piece of work undertaken and pursued with a right motive so as to gain for ourselves a better inner satisfaction. Inaction here means forbidding ourselves from striving in the right channels, and that can bring about only restlessness for ourselves and others. The negative list starts with ignorance. This is significant if anyone commits a crime in ignorance, though justice may not accept it as an excuse. The heart of the society will readily discover a forgiveness for the erring soul. Outer cleanliness is, to a large measure, a reflection of the inner condition. A disciplined man alone can maintain order and cleanliness around him. For the indisciplined, there is no inner purity or outer cleanliness. There cannot be a decent and well-regulated life, since outward behavior is an expression of the mind. Such a person who is confused about action and inaction, who has no purity or external cleanliness, and who fails in good conduct, cannot maintain truthfulness in his words. Such a man is untruthful in words, not because he is deliberately pursuing dishonesty, but because by temperament he is incapacitated to be honest. Learn more in the next chapter, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.